What does the number mean on Snapchat? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I will show you the way as to how you can know what the numbers really mean on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to understand what the numbers really mean on Snapchat, well, it's very simple to understand that. First of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store in the search box, typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. So if you want to find out what the numbers mean, first of all, just tap on the Bitmoji profile, which is at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on the Bitmoji profile and come to this page, you'll be able to see a number of numbers on this particular page next to the Snapchat icon. So what this means is this is basically our snap score. So if I just go ahead and tap on it, you can see it says my snap score. So what is snap score? Snap score basically means that the number of snaps that you have sent and received ever in the Snapchat application. So as you can see, it said your snap score is 2921. Your snap score increases with each snap you send and receive, and you can see 276 snaps sent and 2365 snaps received, and this basically is right here our Snapchat score. And this is what the numbers mean on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.